In this video I'll show you how to make an orange and blue preset, ideal for sunsets and golden hour. Hi, I'm Age. Welcome to Liquid Earth. Like and subscribe because I'll be sending more presets every week and tutorials on Lightroom Mobile and Lightroom Desktop. We're going to start on this image then, so let's go into our light panel and we're going to take those highlights all the way down and we're going to bring the shadows all the way up to 100 and whites we're going to add plus 18 and blacks I'm going to pull that down a little bit to -6. Go into the curves, we're going to add a curve adjustment, just press on the image to create the points, and then in the top highlight points we're going to bring that up and bring down the shadows a little bit, a very small S-curve to add some contrast. Go into the red channel and we're going to slightly increase our reds in the middle here just to bring in some oranges to our image and press done. Next go to colour and let's add some vibrance to our image. We go up to +30 and on saturation +9, and let's go into colour mix, and for our reds we're going to increase the saturation to +17 and the same for oranges and press done. Next up is effects, so we're going to add a little bit of clarity to our image to make it pop, and a little bit of dehaze, so +14 on the dehaze and a small vignette to -8, and then press split toning. So this is where we're going to add more of our oranges to the highlights and more of our blues to the shadows. So in highlights we're going to add a hue of 37 and a saturation of 23, and in our blues a hue of 246 and a saturation of 21, and press done. Next go to details and we're going to add 41 to our sharpening and 60 to our masking. And then you can press and hold the image to see the before and the after. You can see what a change that's made. Finally we need to create a preset. Press the 3-dot settings, create preset, give that a name, and you can save that in a folder by pressing user presets and create a new folder and press tick, and here are all the parameters that you need to ensure you have ticked and press done. Now that we've saved that preset we can apply it to any other image. To do that press presets, navigate to the right folder and press on the preset, and you can see the before and after. With any preset, once you've applied it you can make any other changes you wish. So for this image, I'm going to crop it down a little bit to get rid of that sharp vignette in the corners. Final tweak, I'm going to just bring the exposure down a little to -54. And there you have it. Well, thank you so much for watching. If that was useful to you, please like and subscribe. It really helps me to grow the channel. I'll be bringing you presets and tutorials for Lightroom every week. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you next time.